Alright, this is where we have the real deal. Yes, this is where we have the real deal. Venn diagram, three-dimensional. Okay, let's get ready. Alright, so in a group of 120 students, 72 of them play football, 65 plays table tennis, and 53 plays hockey. If 35 of the students play both footballs and table tennis, 30 play both footballs and hockey, 21 play both table tennis and hockey, and each of the students plays at least one of the three games. A. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. B. How many of them plays all three games. 2. Exactly two of the three games. Exactly one of the three games. Alright. So in a group of 120 students, so our universal set is 120. No stress. Alright. 72 of them plays football. Number of football is 72. 65 plays table tennis. Table tennis, let it be T. That's 65. Alright, and 53 plays hockey. Clean the board. So, what else? 53 plays hockey. Number of hockey is 53. If 35 of the students plays both footballs and table tennis, numbers of football and table tennis is what? Is 35. Alright. And 30 plays both football and hockey. Football and hockey. 30. 21 plays both table tennis and hockey. Table tennis and hockey is 21. Alright. And each of them plays at least one of the three games. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. Alright, we have no option, we have to follow the rule. They said we should draw a Venn diagram. Alright, Roman figure. How do I start? Okay, sorry, something is missing. Where three are joined, they didn't give us, so I have to arrange it accordingly. F came first, and T second, and H second. They are meant to give us where the three are connected, since they are talking about three-dimensional set. So if it is two-dimensional, they are meant to talk about where the two sets are joined. So since it's three-dimensional, they have to give us where the three sets are connected. Since they didn't give us, we represent it with X. Alright, now, so we have listed out our parameters. The now said we should express it, like draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information as that's in A. Question A. Let's express it. Alright. It's our Venn diagram. Alright, so we have this first circle, we have the second circle, you have the third circle. Alright, so this one is the first one, you have to follow it. The first one is F. Number of F. What do we have? We have 72. The next one is number of T. We have 65. Do you know why I'm not writing it inside? I'm not writing inside because because all this value they are giving us is not the real values. Because at the end of the day, we add up all the whole of what you have here, it will be greater than this 120 you have here. So that is how you know that it's not a real value. They are just temporary value for you to get the actual values that will lead to the summation of this. Alright. So number of H. What do we have? So you have to don't write it inside, so we write it here. So we're having 53. Number of hockey, football, and tennis. Alright, so where the three are connected is X. Okay. X is where the three are connected. So where football and table tennis, where is football and table tennis? Football and table tennis. So this is where they are connected. So from the idea of two sets, you can see football and table tennis, two sets are connected here, only football and table tennis. So whenever football and table tennis, where two sets are connected, you subtract where all the sets are connected from where two are connected. So where two are connected, you'll be subtracting where these three are connected from it. So football and table tennis now, you know they give us football and table tennis will be 35. So we are not going to write just 35 here because we are expressing in Venn diagram. So we have to subtract this place that they are joined, all of them. We have to subtract from 35. So this case is going to be 35 minus x. Where football and table tennis are joined, that will be 35 minus x. So that's it. So where football and hockey are joined, because this x here is for where the three are connected. So we have to be subtracting it from where two of them are joined. So where football and hockey are joined now, it will now be 30 minus what you have here. So, and wherever table tennis and hockey 21, table tennis and hockey 21, that will be 21 minus what you have here. Alright, that's it. So now, to guess what is exactly football, exactly table tennis, but that's not the issue. But they are still going there. So exactly football now. So if they ask you exactly football, you know this is the circle of football, and all the value you can notice inside the circle of football is subtracted from this value. So now, to guess what you put inside here, the actual thing you are going to put inside here, what do? You are going to, this is the circle of football, that will be 72 minus 72 is the value of football here. The value of football here is 72. So these are the things inside the circle of football. To get value you put here, you add all this one and remove it from this value. Let's add this 35 minus x plus x plus 30 minus x. So that's 72 minus, this one is gone, this one is 65 minus x, Abby. So that will be 72 minus 65 plus x. So if you remove this 72 from this, if you remove this 65 from 72, what do you have? Yes, you have 7 plus x. Okay, so this one will give you 7 plus x, so which means 7 plus x is going to be here. Alright, so to get the value you are going to put inside table tennis, exactly table tennis, you have to you can see this is the circle of table tennis. 65, table tennis is 65. You minus all those things you can notice inside the circle of table tennis that are connected with table tennis. Now 35 minus s plus what? X plus 21 minus x. That's 65 minus, this one is gone, that is 35 plus 21, that is 56 minus s. Okay, so that will be 65 minus 56, minus and minus is plus x. So remove 56 from this one, so you have 9 plus x. So what you have here will be 9 plus x. Okay, so let's get out to the next one. So the exactly hockey, so exactly hockey will be 53 minus, you add everything inside the circle of hockey, 30 minus x plus 21 minus x. That is 53 minus, this one is gone, this one is 51 minus x. That's 53 minus 51 plus x. If you remove this, you have what? 2 plus what? Plus x. So this one is 2 plus x now. Alright, so that's it. So then this is figure 1. So now this one is, what do we have here? We have 120. So this one is figure 1, or let me write it here. Fig 1. So fig 1 fig 2.0. We want to redraw this one now. So this one is universal set is 120. So what you have here now, and what you have here now. So this one is 30 minus x, 21 minus x. This one is f, t, table tennis, and hockey. This one is x, where the 3 adjoint is x, because where the 3 adjoint is unknown. This one is 35 minus this. So what do we have here? We have 7 plus x, 9 plus x, 22 plus x. So this is the Venn diagram for this question. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this. So this is the Venn diagram. You can either use this one or this one. So at the end of the day, I cannot clean away this one. It's useless. So we are just putting it there for us to show how we came about this. That's why I'm putting it there. So this is the Venn diagram for the set. So now let's now solve the problem using this Venn diagram. So to use this Venn diagram to solve the problem, so they said how many of them play. So the question B, how many of them play all the TV game? BI, how many of them play? How many of them play all the TV game? Alright, so we use what we have here to solve it. Don't forget, I said that you add everything you have inside this box. Right? The summation of everything must give you what you added. So to express this one, how many of them did this game now? So exactly football now, because we already find exactly of these things. Now the number of football intersection T, a tennis intersection H accordingly. So this one circle is for football, exactly football now. This one carry prime. Exactly tennis, number of football intersection, tennis intersection, okay. Exactly tennis. So since we are talking about exactly tennis here, this circle is for tennis. This football and hockey will carry prime. But we are talking about exactly tennis. Exactly hockey. Football intersection T intersection H. Exactly hockey. So this one will carry prime since it is exactly hockey. Understand? H is the expression for exactly hockey. Plus where the 3 are joined, F intersection T intersection H, plus where the 2 are joined. So there's no point putting minus anymore because we have put minus x here, plus number of F intersection T intersection H. This one is for football and tennis alone, only football and tennis alone. So football and tennis, so this one will carry prime because I'm talking about football and tennis here, plus football and hockey. Football and hockey. We are talking about football and hockey, so this one will carry prime. So football, hockey and table tennis. Hockey and table tennis, so this one will carry prime. We have added all this one, everything will be equal to the universal set. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so what do we have for this? What do we have for exactly football? 7 plus x plus exactly this one. 9 plus x. Exactly hockey. 2 plus x plus football and tennis 35. Where is the next one? Okay, plus the 3 and football and tennis 25 minus x plus football and hockey. This is where football and hockey join. 30 minus x plus hockey and tennis. 21 minus x plus 21 minus x equals to 120. Alright. So we are now going to add all this one up. That will be 9, okay. That will be 7 plus 9 plus 2 plus 35 plus 30 plus 21. X plus x is 2s, 3s, 4s, abi 4x plus 4x minus x minus x minus x minus 3x minus 3x minus 3x equals to 120. Okay, so this one now, 7 plus 9 is 16. 18 plus this one, that is 53, right? 53 plus, that's plus 30, 83 plus 21, that's 104. So 104 plus 4x minus this plus x equals to 120. Okay, so which implies that x equals to 120 minus 104. So that's equals to 16. X equals to 16 students. So the number of students that did the theory are 16 students. I'm coming. Let me get those stuff. There are 16 students. So the number of those that did the theory as 16 students. So it is very clear this way. So now I'm going to be rubbing it off. So I think you must have written the guy now. So there we go. God of mercy. Alright. Now we are going to be doing the next one, BII. They said exactly two of the three games. Exactly two of the three games. Those are the exactly two of the three games. Exactly two of the three games. So that is those that did exactly two. So exactly two are here. Two games here. Two are connected here. Two games here. Then two are connected here. Two games. So how do you represent it? Exactly two games implies that. It implies that what? Let's start with this one. Number of F intersection T intersection H. Exactly two of the three games. Two games is here, right? Football and table tennis. This one carry fine. Football and table tennis plus football. Number of F intersection T intersection H plus number of F intersection T intersection H. So exactly two games. So football and hockey now. Football and hockey, this one carry fine. Hockey and table tennis, go carry fine. So what do we have here? 35 minus x is for football and hockey. This is where they join. Plus football and hockey now. Football and table tennis is this one. Football and hockey now. This is where they join. 30 minus x plus hockey and table tennis. Hockey and table tennis. This is where they join. 21 minus x. So this one is for football and table tennis. This one is for football and hockey. And this one is for table tennis and hockey. You can see hockey and table tennis. So our x initially was 16. So you substitute and the value of x is known. You substitute the value of x 16 21 minus 16. So if you remove 16 from this one, that's 9, right? Is it 9 or 19? 25, yeah, 19. Okay. So what else do we have here? Plus 30 minus 16. That's what? That's 14. Okay. Plus 21 minus 16. That's 5. Alright. Is that clear? So by the time we add this together, 19 plus 19, that's 38. So this one is 38 students. 38 students, okay? So that's our answer for that. Alright, so what are we doing again? Say exactly one of the 3 games. As is those I did exactly one. Exactly one of the 3 games. Alright. I don't want to clean this. Let me just clean this. I'm using this diagram to solve the problem. BIII. Exactly one of the 3 games. So it implies that exactly one of the 3 games, that is exactly one inside the circle. That is number of F intersection T intersection H plus number of F intersection T intersection H plus number of F intersection T intersection H. So exactly one of the 3 games. So exactly this one is F. So this one will be prime. Exactly T. This one will be prime because we are talking about T. Exactly H. This one will be prime. So we have equals to 7 plus x is for this, 9 plus x is for this, and 2 plus x. Alright, so that is 7 plus 16 is this one. 9 plus 16, our x is 16 now. 2 plus 16. This one is 20 what? 23. I think that is cleared. Plus this one is 25. Okay. Plus this one is 18. So now this one, okay, this one is 66, if I'm correct. This is 48. That is 66. 66 students. 66 students are correct about this. Alright, so the last one, this one is correct now. The last one is football alone. This is not at football alone. This is football alone. So it's not something that goes far. That's BIV. Football alone. It implies F intersection T intersection H. Football alone. This one will carry prime. Then what's the expression for football alone? 7 plus x. That is 7 plus 16. That's what. What do we get for that? We got 23 students. 23 students. That's our final answer. So I think this video has been able to be this video is helpful anyway. So this video is helpful. In fact, I was even going to explain something the other time, that if you want to let us assume that they ask you to calculate this one, like the value of x where the 3 sets are joined without drawing the Venn diagram. There is a shorter form to calculate it. What are the shorter form? Just combine everything that you have here, like combine everything here, equate it to this. So this, remember what I told you when we were doing two sets. I said anywhere two are joined. This one is a different question because you can be like, I did not add it in some place. Go back to the question and rewind back the video and look see the reason why I did not put that condition of subtraction. So, but particularly if you want to solve it without using the diagram, like you want to find where three are joined. So where two are joined, remember I said you should always pull, they always carry minus. Where two are joined, where two are joined always carry what? Minus. Any other thing is addition, then everything equals to what we have here. So let's start up with this. So if you want to solve without using the diagram, then you want to find the value of s. So starting from here, number of f plus number of t plus number of h, this plus this minus number of f intersection t minus number of f intersection h minus number of t intersection h plus number of f intersection t intersection h, all equals to universal set. This is the rule. Like any other thing we carry plus, except where 2 are joined we carry minus. So that's the short form to solve for value of x without using Venn diagram. So now let us look here. So what do we have for f? We have 72. They gave us 72 in the question. 65 plus 53 minus 35 minus 30 minus 21 plus x equals to 120. So let's look at it together. 72 plus 65. This one is 137. 137 plus 187. 187. Okay, I'm coming. I want to add these three together. 72 plus 65 is 7, and this one is 13 plus 53. This one is 0 and 190. Alright, so we add these three, we have 190. So let's keep it separately. 190 minus. So because if we add this one together, 53 plus 35, this one is 88. I know. Minus 35 minus 30 is minus 65. Minus 65 minus 65 minus 21. This one is 6. This one is 8 minus 86. Okay. Minus 86. So minus 86. Okay. Minus 86 plus x equals to 120. So if you remove this, we are left with 110. 110 minus 6, 104. So 104 plus x. So this one is 104 plus x equals to 120, which implies that x equals to 16 students. So we want to solve for value of x without using the Venn diagram. This is the short method. Just add up what you have. Anywhere to are joined from this parameter, you put minus, carry minus, any other thing is plus, then equate it to this. Then do your substitution, then you get the result. But because they asked us to use the Venn diagram, draw the Venn diagram, that's why we are following the instruction. So had it been there was nothing like Venn diagram there. We just go straight to the point to get the other values. I think this video has been able to help you. And I want to expose you to something. There are questions like, for instance, I said at least exactly 2 of the 3 games. As mean they said at least 2 of the 3 games. So if they say at least 2 of the 3 games, after adding all this one, you will add up where the 3 are joined with the value you are having here. If they say at least 1 of the 3 games, after adding all this one, you must add up where the 3 are joined to the value you are having here. So always get those things. So this one is just the same thing as at most exactly 2 or at most 3 at most 2 games. Exactly 2 of the 3 games, they are the same sentence. So please try to get it right. So I believe this video was helpful. So if you find it very helpful, please give a thumb, drop a comment in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe. Share this video to your friends. I love you. I remember who said I like to talk. Exhausted.